Good morning, Royals. Welcome back to the vlog. So today is February 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. I live in San Antonio. You guys, it snowed so hard last night. I can't even believe it. It's never snowed this much in San Antonio and I am just shocked. Woo, I can't even breathe. So I'm gonna try to go out in the snow. Hopefully my feet don't get all wet. I'm gonna be real quick. I'm gonna take Adonis real quick, wrap him up. But you guys, wait till you see this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Are y'all seeing this? Look at this. Look at this. Let me take my first steps. Papa! Oh, look. What in the... Dad!
I'm gonna put y'all, hold up.
Okay, not too far.
Can you kind of like put it?
This is good. Okay, I got him, Dad.
Yeah, right.
Okay. You okay? OMG, our boys just so cold. Stay close to Mama. We have never had snow this deep, ever. This is crazy. I feel like I'm in Ohio.
Man, this is cold.
Oh.
Hey man, Don, you ain't felt no cold like this, huh?
No.
Say no. This is that Ohio weather.
Wow.
Yeah.
Snowed in.
Since it's been since 1985, I believe, when that's the most snow we had. But this was the coldest year.
85?
Yeah, but it snowed before. I mean, after that, you know what I mean. But that was the year I came down in '84. Then in '85 it snowed real hard.
God.
But this is the coldest I felt though.
So we're just out here chilling.
What's up? What's up, everybody?
Hey to the Royals.
Yeah.
They've never seen it snow like this in San Antonio.
And we'll see y'all in 2.
Papa.
All right.
Papa.
Let's see.
What do you guys will see those? Can y'all see me? I'm looking I am looking so crazy, y'all. Look at this. We ran out the house. Look at this. Look. I didn't even have any socks. We vacated the house so quick.
I know, my house was told when I got back today. I was like, oh.
I'm not even matching. I'm just looking a hot mess.
So many little clothes to wear. Ridiculous.
This, I can't even believe this is going on. Where's Maurice? I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Let me show y'all the grill. Where are you going? He's having too much fun. Oh. Papa.
Dark people try to get back into the house.
Papa. What you doing? What you doing? She cut us up some salad. She made us some soul food.
Yes, I did.
She didn't do what? He did the barbecue. He's the barbecue master. And these two. Hey. So we just chilling.
Baby on the loose.
Baby on the loose. This is going into the snow. And this snow, I swear, has these beers so crispy and cold. Crispy and delicious. So we got our milk in here. Yeah, let them see. See? We got our beer.
Yeah.
See, we ain't used to this because we ain't from the, up north, so we don't know how to do all this stuff. Well, we are. But I'm not. Yeah, my mom is. See, and it's gonna be nice and crispy.
It's gonna be so crispy.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I hear some music. Now y'all need to stop. Poke a hole at the bottom of this cup. There we go. Just so we get some good drainage. We got our soil. We got our seeds. Little gardeners.
Me too.
So I believe you probably can sow 2 seeds in 1 cup. How many watermelons do you want?
As many as I can eat.
Okay, how many seeds? 2 in each. Let me see those. Oh, those look like watermelon seeds.
Mm-hmm.
And then we gotta water them in.
Mm-hmm.
So she's gonna go ahead and water them in.
Oh. Saturate the soil.
Mm-hmm. Excited.
Yes.
All right, so that was our little bonus for y'all. We'll let you know how those are doing, and we will keep track of our seedlings. Bye.
Bring them.
Bring them.
Bring them.
What you doing?
Bring them. Bring them. Bring them. Bring them. Bring them.
Birthday man. What is up, Royal? So it's my dad's birthday. I'm about to cut his hair because he's, yeah. We ain't gonna spoil nothing. Alright, so what we want to do? You want to cut? Go bald?
What you doing?
What you want me to do? Why I gotta be all?
Well, you are going bald. That's what we always do, but.
You want to go bald?
Huh?
Oh, you don't always go bald. Oh, shoot. I could just bring it down.
How you want your hair?
Oh, it's gonna be bald and make sure I got my little block.
You want it
right
bald
there.
at it then?
Okay.
All right.
Dang, I haven't touched no clippers in a whole year.
Wait, Papa.
Ooh, look at Don King. Look, y'all. That's Don King. That's my dad. I don't know who's being a creep back there. No.
Photo bomber in the
Photo
back.
bomber.
Ooh, back in the day, y'all.
Mm-hmm. Papa, you want to say hi to the Royals? Because you've been so bad. Look. Say hi. Hey. Stop. Hey, Royals.
Give me kisses. Good granny kisses.
Thank you for your kiss.
Get Granny's Kitchen.
So yeah, I hope that y'all are enjoying these vlogs. I posted a vlog last week, so I'm gonna try to start posting one vlog a week, so make sure you are checking them out. Right. Shay, check them out. Say bye-bye. Say clap, clap, clap. Yay! You're so smart.